In this video, I am going to show you how you can deactivate WhatsApp with you uninstall it. This is a good trick, so follow it. The first thing we are going to select our WhatsApp, that we have WhatsApp normal or WhatsApp business. We are going to go towards say application of information here, and then we are going to force stop here, and it will seems like a generic message telling you that this may cause errors, but it just generic, it does not cause any errors. This helps you so that when people send your message, only a check appears and you do not receive the message. It does not custom data, knows nothing. This will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it, and if you like it, share it with your friends.